Welcome everyone. Here is how to set a custom ringtone in your iPhone. So the first step is I want you to locate where you listen to your music. So in my case, right here. And before we start playing the music so it can be converted to the ringtone, first of all, I want you to swipe down from the far right hand side like this to activate Control Center. Then tap the plus button at the top left. Then select the Add a Control option. And I want you to add the screen recorder to your control center. Tap the empty space to close out. And then long press the screen recorder. Make sure this is set to photos. If you don't see a photo option and the screen recorder looks like this, don't worry about that. But if you have multiple options, tick the photos. Make sure microphone is set to off. And now let's start recording. So after the 3-second countdown, the screen recorder is active. And I now want you to play your song that you want to convert into a ringtone. So ringtones are 30 seconds in duration. I would personally recommend recording just over 30 seconds. So I'm going to cut to once I've done this. So now enough time's passed. Just go to the control center and then tap the screen recorder to stop the recording. So now inside of your Photos app, you should have a screen recording, and when you turn on the audio, you should hear the audio playing just like this. We now need to crop the screen recording so it just has our ringtone. So to do this, select the screen recording in question and then tap the 3 lines icon like this. And then just use the crop here to make sure your ringtone starts when you want it to and ends when you want it to. Now, when you slide this right slider, make sure the time here shows under 30 seconds. So it can't be over. So I just set this to like 29, 0.979899. If it gives errors in the future, just crop this, make it a little bit shorter. And once we're happy, let's tap on done. And then we're going to save the video just like that. The next step is we need to extract the audio from the video. And then we can set the ringtone. So that sounds hard, but it is really simple to do. All I'll need you to do is Google this. Convert video to MP3 online. And I have selected personally the free convert website, but you can use any website you want. So let's head to the video to MP3 converter website. Then we're going to select choose files. We will then select from device, and then we're going to choose our photo library. And I just want you to select that screen recording which has the ringtone, and then tap on the tick at the top right. So now you'll see it will start to process the video in question so it can be used. So just be patient. Even though you've tapped on tick, just wait for this loading bar to complete. And then once it completes, you should have the convert option. So let's tap on convert here. It's going to upload your video file. And then once it's uploaded, it's going to convert it into MP3. And then once that's done, you can just tap the download button. And then you'll have the option to download your file. So let's just tap on download right here. And that has downloaded the ringtone. So to find where the ringtone is downloaded, just swipe up so you have the website showing. And then tap the downloads icon, or just tap to the left of the website name. Then tap the downloads button. And inside of here, you should see your new MP3 file. So let's tap the MP3 file in question, and it should bring you right here. Now, I want you to tap the share button at the bottom right. Then tap the more option. And then we have user's ringtone. If you don't see this option, you need to update to iOS version 26 or newer. But if we have the option, we can tap user's ringtone, and there we go immediately. It has been saved. And if I turn on the audio, the custom ringtone is playing. 2 things real quick. Number 1, if you tap on your MP3 file and it opens you into another app, this is the Files app. And just look in Recents to find the MP3 file. Or just tap browse twice, and then head to iCloud Drive and Downloads, or alternatively, look for On My iPhone Downloads. And then once you find the recording, you can just long press it, tap share, more, and you have that same option as you saw earlier in the video. And the second thing is, if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. The main reason being is YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to, so any engagement on this video goes so far to push this video in the algorithm. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.